The OneOdio Studio Wireless Pro C headphones deliver impressively detailed sound with strong low end and clear highs that suit both casual listening and basic studio work. Their large neodymium drivers give music a sense of weight and presence that makes bass-heavy tracks especially satisfying without completely drowning out vocals. With wireless playback that stretches well past a typical work week and the option to plug in a cable, these stay usable long after many other Bluetooth pairs would be silent. The over-ear cups use soft padding and a generous headband that remain comfortable through long sessions, making them practical for gaming, editing, or binge-watching. A foldable design and rotating ear cups help the headphones pack down easily into a bag, which is handy if you move between home, office, and studio. They connect reliably to phones, tablets, computers, and other Bluetooth or wired sources, so you can use one pair of headphones for nearly all of your daily audio needs.